Okay, I'm Bill Powers, and we've done some work in trying to look at your computer. You get a new computer, you put some money out, you have all these demo programs and various different products on your computer, and it's hard to navigate how much space is being used by these programs. But here's the real point about slimming down your computer. The real point is functionality and control. What you want to be able to do is you want to be able to know where things are being stored. Can you get back into them? But you don't want to be spending time learning something that you're not going to own in 60 days. Why put a learning curve in there? There's one thing about window shopping, and that's great if you really want it and you're thinking about really doing it, then take it for a test drive. But these things come all as a package. It's there, and it can intimidate and overwhelm. So we're talking about taking the clutter off and building back up when you're comfortable. So you look at what the foundational products are. You've looked at how to take and uninstall programs that you looked up and seen that you don't want, and how about how to download programs. They can do the same thing that some of these expensive programs can do with a lower learning curve until you get ready to work those things out. So I think that's a constructive process, and since we're talking about a big purchase anyway, you will enjoy your computing experience a lot more. And we talked about how to protect the computer, and how to take out the spyware, all functional programs, and how to even set up an alternative web browser. So hopefully that will make your computing experience much more functional.